So, she's already 16.
Well, you got a lot better.
Yeah, don't worry about hurting her.
You were warming him up.
Kyllä se tiedät tuolla, no se opettamalla latken.
I guess why you go on the podcast if you have to. Yeah, we have something like that.